Welcome to Active Intelligence demo application. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate high-level features of Active Intelligence Server and will try different options available to the end users. Active Intelligence Server encompasses a variety of tools, applications, and methodologies that enable organizations to collect data from internal systems and external sources. Use Active Intelligence to present actionable information in a variety of formats to help executives, business managers, decision makers, and other end users to make informed decisions. You can also deploy open source BERT reports and Jasper reports onto the server for easy sharing and distribution using drag and drop interface. Active Intelligence demo applications are preloaded with handful BERT reports, Jasper reports, and other data visualization such as dashboards and analytics. Active Intelligence Server can also be accessed from multiple devices like desktop, tablets, and mobile. For the purpose of this demo, we are going to use Classic Models Company database. Classic Models Company is an imaginary company that deals in models for cars, trains, trucks, motorcycle, buses, and ships. In this video, we are going to cover highlighted features. Demo application also allow users to create new contents or upload existing content using their own data, which can then be shared, scheduled, or export in various file formats to get good feel of Active Intelligence. Meet Diane. She is head of sales and marketing and also part of executive team. Diane is responsible for overall sales at Classic Models Company. Meet her team. Anthony is sales manager and responsible for overall sales in America and has access to data related to America only. William is responsible for sales in Australia. Gerard is responsible for sales in Europe region. And Paul works in application support team and responsible to deliver reports and support business users reporting requirements. Finally, meet admin. Admin manages users and roles and is also super backup users for all the internal users within the company. Backup users can perform important tasks on behalf of internal users in their absence. All the users belong to different roles and have different privileges. There are various roles in Classic Models Company, and the four major roles are Sales Manager, Senior Executive, Application Support, and Admin. Diane logs into her account using her credentials. She is looking at her dashboard this morning. The latest data has just been released. Using fully interactive dashboard, Diane can look through the data from different dimensions. Active Intelligence link features allow all the widgets to be wired together. That means clicking part of the widget will update the entire dashboard or part of the dashboard instantly, irrespective of their data source, and even if the data are coming from disparate sources. Active Intelligence dashboards comes with multi-tab capability, which means you can have multiple tabs within single dashboard. All the tabs widgets within the same dashboard can be linked together and can be filtered using the same filter. Currently, Diane is comparing the sales. She can narrow the results to compare the sales by product using built-in zoom feature for deep exploration. She wants to highlight her findings to the sales managers to get the detailed report for her findings. Using out-of-the-box annotation feature, enable Diane to annotate her findings. which can then be downloaded in different formats. Downloaded file can then be uploaded back in the server using drag and drop interface. At the time of uploading the file, privileges can be assigned to make sure that all the users and roles who should have access to the files have appropriate access to the shared file, which will also prevent unauthorized access to important business documents. This can easily be edited at later stage if required. Dynamic message is a great feature that will allow users to attach different types of messages to make specific requests. Dynamic message enables Diane to attach message to a specific section or to a file. In this case, she is attaching the message to a report section. When creating dynamic message, Diane can specify the validity for the message. Diane can make different types of messages and assign it to specific user to whom it will be visible. When Anthony logs into his account, he will get the dynamic message which was requested by Diane. And he will also have access to the file which was shared by Diane to the sales manager's roles in previous steps. This is a great feature which will enable all the relevant people in the organization to collaborate in real time and to have clear understanding on the concern Diane has. Anthony can send the reply right away using the comment icon in the dynamic message to update Diane instantly. Anthony has his very own customized dashboard, which will enable him to start exploring the data to find out the sales information for his region. Just by analyzing the dashboard, he figured out that some of the states did not have any sales in current year compared to the previous year. He started exploring deeply to find out more details about sales in his region so he could send the detailed report to Diane. William, who is responsible for sales in Australia, is on holidays. But before he left for holidays, he enabled his backup user, which means in his absence, his backup user will perform his responsibilities. Thanks to instant messaging feature, using which he made sure that admin is aware about his holiday plan. Because admin is super backup users for all the internal users. When admin checks the message, he confirms by replying to instant messaging that he will be performing important tasks on William's behalf in his absence to make sure that important tasks are dealt appropriately within the time frame. Admin, when logs in his own account, he gets option to switch user's view. He can switch between his own account and William's account. Admin will not be able to see any dynamic messages since he is not part of sales manager's role. However, when he switches to William's view, dynamic message attached by Diane will be visible to him. Admin read the request sent by Diane requesting detailed report for the sales in William's region. Admin creates a report using ad hoc reporting feature as a backup users to William's account. Ad hoc reporting capabilities has enabled admin to create report instantly, simply by dragging and dropping the report component onto the layout. All of these without involving IT. Once the reports are generated, admin checks the report contents, which can then be sent to Diane using William's account. Active Intelligence uses cache data, which enable users to analyze data much faster, allowing decision makers to spot the trend much quicker. With Active Intelligence, users can easily switch between the tabs and customize the content to support the analysis. This can be done by changing the chart types or sort column orders and much more on the fly, all within the same analytics. Loading data and contents in Active Intelligence is very simple using drag and drop interface. Aggregations and calculations can be done automatically on fly. Additionally, users can choose different aggregator from the list of available functions. Diane uses analytics quite often. She's adding analytics to the quick link so that she can navigate to the analytics section by click of a button from any screen within the server. Users can add any section in quick link. All the sales managers are requiring to send monthly newsletters to their clients. These newsletters contains detail related to new products and specific messages which needs to be sent to different customers. Annotation feature allow users to create hierarchy structure as per organizational need, which can then be used to send annotation messages using dynamic report. List of value enable Paul to send user-specific messages using single click, which will make sure that all the relevant messages get sent out to the respective owners. Paul schedules the reports to run at required interval and send these reports to corresponding sales managers for approval before the email gets sent out to the end client. This can be easily done using list of value and schedule options. Paul can track the progress of each request using the request option, and he can update the sales managers if requires. This automates the entire process with added surety of approval by respective sales managers. When respective sales managers logs into their account, they can see all the requests under notification. From here, they can view, comment, reject, or approve the request. Once the message is read and confirmed by Anthony, he approves the request. On approval, the notification gets sent out to Paul and the requests get updated in real time, after which the email will get sent out with the reports to the end clients. Active Intelligence makes the entire process very simple using list of value. Paul also receives many requests from internal users to run the report on recurring basis. Many of the time reports have same parameters. To avoid filling same parameters again and again, Paul can save parameters as quick run and then use these quick runs to run reports so that Paul does not need to remember all the parameters every time. Every quarter, higher managements need consolidated reports from all departments regarding sales, customers, productions, inventory, returns, and many more. These reports are owned by different departments. Each department generates their respective reports and share that with Paul. Paul consolidates all these reports using Merge Report feature and create a quarterly booklet, which he finally sends to higher management. Merge Report enable users to merge different kind of reports such as BERT, Jasper, PDF, and many more to create single report. You can also bring co-workers and partners in real-time collaborative sessions. Simply share the file and interact with them using instant messaging. When anyone sharing the files makes changes to the shared file, everyone's view with the shared privileges get updated instantly, keeping everyone in the same collaborative session. Using dynamic message, you can start interacting with people you are collaborating with in real time. This will also enable you to interact simultaneously with many users. Active Intelligence integrated solutions enable organizations to embed dashboard, reports, or part of the application into their own portal to keep end users updated in real time. There are also possibilities to customize Active Intelligence Server to suit organizational custom requirements. Diane and her team are using Active Intelligence for their business intelligence requirements and to get business answers they were looking for to make informed decisions. With Active Intelligence, they have managed to make system automation, and they were able to collaborate with coworkers and clients in real time without compromising the security. We would like to hear from you on how are you using Active Intelligence. Through this video, we have tried to cover some of the high-level features of Active Intelligence Server. If you wish to know more about any specific feature or need to know how Active Intelligence can fit in particular scenario, please contact one of our sales team. Thank you very much.